Good morning children, welcome back to the channel Awesome Learning, and today's separation technique that we are going to do is chromatography. In the previous videos we have learned various separation techniques like evaporation, centrifugation. You'll also learned about the separating funnel, right? In the previous video we have done all these. You have also learned how to separate the mixtures by sublimation. Now today the separation technique that we are following is chromatography, right? So let's begin with chromatography. So children, we require a mixture of red and blue inks, distilled water, isopropyl alcohol, Wattmann, filter paper, strip and a capillary tube. Okay. These are the things we require. Take a Wattmann filter paper strip and draw a line with a pencil above 4 cm from one end. Draw another line lengthwise from the center of the paper and name the point at which two lines intersect as P. Now take a capillary tube, dip it into the beaker containing a mixture of red and blue inks and take the mixture using the capillary tube. Put a drop of the mixture of red and blue ink on the paper. Allow it to dry in open air. Again take the mixture of red and blue inks using the capillary tube. Put another drop on the same spot and dry it again so that the spot is rich in mixture. Take 5 ml of distilled water in a measuring cylinder and pour it into a chromatographic machine. Take 5 ml of isopropyl alcohol in a measuring cylinder, as you see, and pour it into the chromatographic chamber containing distilled water. Now mix the contents of the chromatographic chamber using the glass rod, and the mixture is used as the solvent. Now take the filter paper and suspend the filter paper vertically into the chromatographic chamber containing solvent in such a way that the pencil line remains 2 cm above the solvent. Close the chamber and keep it undisturbed for some time. Notice the rise in solvent along with the mixture of red and blue inks. When the solvent has risen above 15 cm, you will notice two different spots of blue and red colors on the filter paper. Take the filter paper out of the chamber and mark the distance that the solvent has raised on the paper with the pencil. The solvent front the dry paper and put the pencil marks in the center of the blue and the red spots. Measure the distance of the solvent from the original line and the distance of the two spots from the original line. See, calculate the RF values of blue and red inks by using the formula. And this is how chromatography is done. Now children, just to explain again, few things which I want to tell you is that filter paper soaks the solvent. Filter paper soaks the solvent. So when you have put the filter paper in the solvent, okay, the solvent rose in the filter paper, and when it was rising in the filter paper, the two inks separated at different levels. You can see in the video, blue ink and red ink both were at different levels. So this we will learn how this has happened when I will be putting a video with your NCERT book. Now the next video will be with your NCERT, where you will also get question and answers that you have to write.